Any exercises, physical exercises for the crown of the head. It's mostly meditation. But it can be helpful to touch the crown of your head to the floor and get a little stimulation. This pose is called rabbit pose, and it pulls the energy into the core and gives you a little stimulation on the top of your head. Begin by sitting on your heels. Lift your crown up, take a deep breath in, and bow forward. Bringing your head toward your knees, touching the top of your head down to the mat, or you could put it on a block or a cushion. Then reaching around for your heels, lift your hips up and hug in toward your thighs. Continue to breathe, and you can even roll around a little bit on the top of your head. Then release your hands, sit back on your heels, uncurl your spine, and lift your crown up toward the heavens. Shoulders back, belly full, roots pointing downward. A quintessential pose for coming into a still state of consciousness is Shavasana, or corpse pose. Simply lie flat on your back, palms open, legs relaxed. Find the symmetry of your body along your core. So your legs are an equal distance apart, your arms are an equal distance apart. You're extending into your crown, lengthening your neck, bringing your shoulder blades underneath your body and extending out to your heels. And then simply relax, eyes closed, and come into your breath. Feel the heaviness of your body as you sink into the earth, and remember Chakra 1. Feel the subtle rivers of charge moving through your body as you tune into the waters of the second chakra. Feel the energy body that is pulsing through you, the inner fire as you come into your third chakra. Imagine dissolving your body into the breath as you come into the air of the heart chakra. Feel the subtle vibration of the charge all through your body as you listen from your throat chakra. With your sixth chakra, imagine your whole body as a body of light, glowing. And then as you come to the seventh chakra, focus on the awareness that dwells within you, that is awake and alive, even as your body is still. Take as much time as you want here to relax fully. And when you're ready to come out, stretch out into your fingers and toes, deepen your breath. Inhale and bring your knees in toward your chest. Connect with yourself. And slowly roll over onto your right side. Keeping that peaceful stillness, press your hands into the floor. And come to a comfortable seated position. And take a few moments to sit quietly and meditate.